I got my first jab in early March, and excitedly, I exhorted the government to give me a vaccine passport. We of course will follow the safety protocol. Of course we will do that. But now that we have got the jab, you should allow us to do all of this, because we don't just want to be safe. We also want to feel normal, you know, the way we were. Surprisingly, I got a bit of pushback from readers who berated me for being half knowledgeable. My readers obviously had misunderstood what I was asking for. So, what is a vaccine passport? Frankly, it's just a legal authorization that permits the holder to, say travel or sit among people in a restaurant or a cricket stadium, because they've undergone a medical procedure that has significantly lowered the risk of getting or transmitting the COVID-19 virus. Now, I ask you, what is an RT-PCR test? When the rules say you'll have to produce a negative report before you can enter Mumbai or a mall or a film shoot, you are already using the negative RT-PCR test report as a vaccine passport. Isn't that right? So you see, the vaccine passport is almost as old as the COVID-19 virus, so there's no need to be scared of the unknown here. However, there are two principal objections to issuing a vaccine passport. First, people say it's discriminatory, since you would be compelling those who may be either medically unfit or are conscientious objectors, or people who are called anti-vaxxers. But that's misplaced, because anybody who doesn't want or is unable to take the shot can still get their passport via the negative RT-PCR test. So nobody is denied nothing. There is no discrimination. And of course, the second objection, that you could still be a carrier after being vaccinated. Frankly, this is impractical. It is hypothetical. It's impractically hypothetical. Now consider this. You could pick up the infection in the 72 hours. Remember the 72 hours gap between taking the RT-PCR test and, say, alighting at Mumbai airport. Now, you could get the infection in that 72 hours, right? So that's a low probability event. And if you've allowed that, then equally, we should accept that the you are vaccinated but could get infected situation is highly unlikely. It is an acceptable threshold of risk, just as that 72-hour gap is. Now, let me prove to you that there isn't not a single downside to vaccine passports, but there are significant upsides. We are days away from hitting the 10 crore vaccination mark. That's almost 1 in every 4 vulnerable adults would be reasonably protected. Now, if 1 crore of these people, just 1 crore of these 10 crore people want to travel overseas, they would have to take at least 2 domestic RT-PCR tests. That's 2 crore tests into 1,000 rupees. That's 2,000 crore rupees. Now, if 2 crore of these people out of the 10 crore want to travel within India, that would mean another 8 crore tests. That's another 8,000 crores. Now, include a weekend outing to the mall or a Sunday matinee show for people who've been aggrieved by lockdowns. That could be 8 crore more tests and another 8,000 crore rupees. So nearly 18,000 crore rupees of a wasteful expense can be avoided if we just allow the vaccine passport, the vaccine certificate, to substitute for the RT-PCR test. The minute we do that, people will see the advantages of getting vaccinated, and this will be far more potent in overcoming vaccine hesitancy than, ads and jingles with, what can I say, Bachchan, Khan, Kohli, Taapsee Pannu, or maybe Kangana. But it'll just be far more powerful than any jingle could be. Anyway, seriously, Israel, European Union, Thailand, New York, Japan, all are energetically rolling out vaccine passports. So come on, India, don't be flat-footed in this critical race to tame the virus. Now, as a postscript, finally, let me reiterate, all vaccine passport holders shall be required to wear masks and they should scrupulously observe all safety protocols. और अगर यही विचार जो मैंने अभी आपके सामने रखे अंग्रेजी में आप हिंदी में सुनना चाहते हैं तो आप हमारी हिंदी क्विंट की यूट्यूब चैनल पे जाइए और यही वीडियो आपको हिंदी में भी मिलेगा. एंड ऑफ कोर्स यू मस्ट नॉट फॉरगेट टू लाइक, शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब टू आवर यूट्यूब चैनल राइट नाउ.